It's a beautiful morning with the sun coming over the St. Lawrence River here. That's down there where we were last night. It's a nice city, Trois Rivières. We're on the 12th floor of the Delta Hotel, looking up the river. There's a lighthouse there. That there, I do believe, is the POTA location, the Fort Trois Rivières historical site. I don't think we're going to go and activate that one just because it's summer and it's probably really, really busy. And if I would go down there to activate it with Parks on the Air, I would more than likely just go in with the truck with the ATOS. But I don't have the ATOS this trip. I have only the buddy pool. You can see a bit of land sticking out into the river there. I do believe that's POTA location 2, San Quentin Regional Park. I'm thinking about going there. Also a historical site up on the highway from when we came in yesterday. But this is a beautiful location here. This is such a vibrant city. But yeah, it's another beautiful morning. It's a little chilly by the water here by the river, but it's supposed to get up to 30 degrees today, so it's gonna be a nice day. Taking Archie out for a walk, and then we're gonna go find a place to have some breakfast, get some breakfast. We'll see what's open, maybe a takeout place or something like that. They want $26 for a buffet here in the hotel, but yeah, it's a little bit too steep. Yeah, I got a name for that guy now, Mr. Freedom. Every comment he makes on the video, probably even on this one, will be "Our freedom." Sorry to keep going on about it, but he's such a character that that's his argument for everything. Oh, we have our freedom. Yeah, no guff. So do I. It's 6 o'clock in the morning and I'm able to walk around freely, taking pictures of the port of Trois Rivières and taking my dog out for a walk on this beautiful, beautiful morning here in Quebec. I got a bunch of Bonvoy points left over from my working days when I used to travel all the time and go see clients all over Canada, the United States. Those days, thank goodness, are coming to a close. And I got all these Bonvoy points, so we're using them on this trip. I think we paid for all of our hotel nights except for one night for my daughter who came to visit on points. And the only reason we didn't use points for that one is because we couldn't. There was no rooms available with points that night. So yeah, it was nice. Yeah, I think we're coming up on that POTA location here, the Fort Trois Rivières, which I want to. If I had the truck and the ATOS, I'd probably figure out a way to do it or walk in. But I don't think I'm going to do this one. And Pierre, V2 Golf Tango, says all the sites down here are really noisy, from just a S-level noise, not noise floor, just noise. Because the noise floor is something completely different. It's not an abundance of river crossings, on bridge river crossings here. So I don't know this. I don't think this is the POTA Park. This is the First Nations Park. It might be up on the hill here. There's another, it looks like a fort here. I'm not sure. I'll look at the map and see exactly. I may be just totally way off here, but there looks like there's another kind of fort here. But this is the First Nations Park behind me. And this is the street where we were at last night here, the Forges. That's the street with all the restaurants and stuff that we were at last night. Yeah, so if you look at other videos of mine from Rimouski last year, you see that the St. Lawrence River gets really, really wide as you get closer to the ocean. So here it's a fairly good size too, but it gets even wider, 10 times as wide in some areas, even more probably, up as you get closer to the ocean. We're still several hundred kilometers downstream from the ocean here in Trois Rivières. I was scrolling through Facebook the other day and I saw an interesting meme for an old dog like Archie's age, 14, and the meme basically summed it up as, I may be old, but this walk means as much to me today as it did when I was a pup. And Archie loves going out for these walks. He just loves them. There's just so much history and so much culture here. It is just remarkable. So much history and culture. You come to this part of Quebec as well. You don't need to speak French, but having a basic understanding of French, Francais, is strongly recommended. Just a basic. You don't need to know it all, but you just have to have a basic understanding of some of the key words, and so that'll help you. This is the POTA site here, Fort Trois Rivières. Here's the basically the National Historic Site marker right here. The Fort Three Rivers, a wooden fort built on the spot in 1634, became the cradle of three rivers and the center of the fur trade. With the native Indians, it was besieged on several occasions by the Iroquois and demolished after the Treaty of Peace with them in 1668. So yeah, here's the historical site marker. To do this for historical sites on the air, you can park right there on the street. Imagine if you want to do it for POTA, you're gonna have to walk in. But imagine for parks on the air, yeah, you're gonna have to walk in. I'm not sure if the parking lot behind us is part of the historical site or not. There's some arguments on that. Do you have to be inside the historical site, or is it like a trail? You do you. I heard that's 100 meters from the marker also with POTA, because you can't get in here. It's just a plaque. It's a site. I mean, it's got a bunch of other things here too, like war memorials for World War I, World War II. So it's not just the historical site for the fort. It's got other things going on here as well. But I'll leave that to you. You guys can decide what you want to do and act accordingly. Here's another monument here for those who serve with the 12th Regiment. Bleed to Canada, which is let me see what that is. I think that may be infantry. I don't know that word, but it looks like it's part of the Vandus, which is the 22nd Regiment. This is the 12th Regiment, so I believe it's a military reserve unit. I believe it's an infantry unit. All right, so here we are back on the street we were on last night. A lot different during the day when it's so quiet. But yeah, it's a nice little street here with some restaurants and some cafes. We're gonna try to find some breakfast. That may be hard to do here. I don't think anything opens really till 9 o'clock. We went for pizza last night. It was really good pizza. Walking on Saint Antoine Street. Saint Antoine, that's our name of our town. This is the street here in Trois Rivières, Saint Antoine. Of construction happening down here right now too. Building hotels, modernizing some things. Hotels, convention centers. I guess Trois Rivières is starting to become a beacon for business here, and it should. It's a pretty awesome little place. And there's our hotel. I'm heading back to the hotel right there. Every little turn you make, there's cafes everywhere. Still haven't found a place for breakfast though. I think it's only 7 o'clock in the morning, so it's a little early. But I haven't found a place open for breakfast yet down here. Oh well, I may have to get in the car and go somewhere. Wonder who's in town with those coaches. I've always wanted a Prevost. Ever since I had my Integra Cornerstone, I've always wanted a Prevost. I don't think I'm gonna ever afford one now that I'm not working, but yeah, you know, if I calculated all the money I spent on RVs, I could have bought a Prevost. But it's all part of if you go back to our early videos in the channel, you can see our RV lifestyle. It was good. I enjoyed every minute of it. But I'm happy to have my land now.